Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 23rd of July 2021. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Taking a look at Bitcoin here. You can see that we are trading lower. Another day of rejection against the Tenkan Sen, rather the Kijun Sen, and unless something drastic happens, it looks like we're just going to continue the move south. The near-term support here. That's preventing any lower movement is that $29,000 value area. We have the 618 Fibonacci retracement level and the 618 extension. The resistance level is at 33,800 roughly. That's where the 50% Fibonacci retracement is at. And then we have a large chunk of that volume point of the high volume node for 2021. If you look at the volume point of control, that is at 36,059. So we've spent a good amount of volume and time trading really between 32,400 and 37,500. So a fairly tight, I guess $5,000 is a tight range for Bitcoin. It is a fairly tight and constricted range. And if you really want to look at it from a time perspective, time measure, we go to really roughly the 17th of May when we got, actually we moved a little lower here, May 20th, this is the 64th day that we've been kind of trading within this constricted range, but we're still developing a descending triangle. So overall, it's still very bearish. If you look at the weekly chart, the weekly chart, we're not getting a huge response from the composite index crossing above the slower average. In fact, the RSI has been flattening out, trading in between 44 and 40. And if it does drop below 40, that's going to be a pretty sizable dive, which will more than likely push it down to that $24,000 value area. The next high volume node for Bitcoin is really the third highest volume node from 2020, and that is at the $19,000 value area, which is, you might as well just say 20,000 because that's the psychological number. 20,000 is the 882 retracement and the 1618 extension. So that's where I would definitely anticipate the next move to end up as we look forward here into the weekend. Will it get there over the weekend? I don't know. Could possibly. But really, I think you should pay attention to the breakdown here that would happen, and any flash crash move that does occur will probably get halted at 23K. Really look for things to be constricted within the confines of the Ichimoku system on the weekly chart. 23,000 is Senko span B. It's very flat. So when you have very flat ranges of Senko span B, that's a sign of strength. So the longer it looks like this, the longer it's trading flat, the stronger it is. And so it's going to be very hard for Bitcoin to close below the $23,000 value area. Even though the high volume node is down in that 19 to 20K zone, with the Ichimoku system, it's definitely going to be a tough area for traders to have it close below. We will more than likely see it trade lower, either a flash crash or just a normal kind of few days of dipping down lower. But I wouldn't expect it to stay down there very long. I would expect 23,000 to hold as the next major support. And we'll just keep an eye on it and keep updating it as we go. Thank you for watching. From Love Shared Exchange Rates UK TV, please don't forget to like and to subscribe.